In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create WooCommerce bundle products. We'll build a grouped product, which is WooCommerce's built-in way to sell several individual items together on one page. This is great for bundles where customers can choose quantities for each item. Before we begin, make sure the individual items you want to include are already created as simple products and published. Start by opening your WordPress website and going to your dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click Products, then click Add New. At the top, enter the name of your bundle. Choose a clear, customer-friendly title that describes what's inside. In the main editor, enter a full description. Explain what the bundle includes, who it's for, and any important details like materials, sizes, or usage tips. Think of this as your sales pitch, so keep it informative and engaging. Now scroll to the Product Data panel. Open the Product Type dropdown and select Grouped Product. This tells WooCommerce you're creating a bundle page that will link to other products. If you use CQUs for tracking, you can enter an SKU for the grouped product here. Note that the grouped product itself won't have a price. Each linked item keeps its own price. Next, go to the Linked Products section in the Product Data panel. In the field for grouped products, start typing the names of the products you want to include and select them from the search results. Add each item you want in the bundle. You can usually drag to reorder them so they appear in the order you prefer. Below the main editor, add a short description. This shows near the title on most themes and is perfect for a quick summary or key benefits. On the right side of the screen, click Set Product Image and upload or select an image that represents the bundle. Choose something visually clear and appealing. While you're there, assign the product to a relevant category so customers can find it easily. You can also add tags if you use them for site search and filtering. Review the Product Data tabs. For a grouped product, you typically leave price fields blank on the parent, and you won't need shipping settings for the parent either, since shipping is handled by the individual items. When everything looks good, click Publish if it's new, or Update if you're editing. Your grouped bundle is now live, showing each included product with its own price and quantity selector, all in one convenient place.